Hello everybody, and we are in the kitchen with Ziyad. Now today we're going to be going back into medieval times, making the quatra. Now if I didn't pronounce it right, I'm sorry, but another way of saying it is sugar syrup. Now the ingredients of sugar syrup is 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of stevia or sugar. Now, if you were making it with sugar, you'd use 2 cups of sugars, but we're using stevia, which is a high potent kind of sugar. The ratio of stevia to sugar is 1 tablespoon of stevia is 1 cup of sugar. So we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of stevia, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or lemon water, and 1 tablespoon of what would you call it? Rose water or orange blossom water. Now we're gonna start into the stove with the pot, and we're gonna start with the water. Pour that in with the stevia, 2 tablespoons of stevia, and we're gonna mix that and let that cook on medium for about 10 minutes. After that, we're gonna pour the lemon juice in, and we're gonna let that sizzle for about 1 minute. Then we're gonna let it cool down a bit and put the rose water, or what would you call it, orange blossom water, and then we're gonna let that cook, and we're gonna cool it down, and then we're gonna critique it. Thank you. Hello everybody, we are back at the stove. Now again, we were making the quatra. Sorry if I mispronounced it, or we can call it the sugar syrup. Now we're going to start by pouring the water. So we're going to pour the cup of water. Then we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now this isn't sugar, this is stevia, which is a more potent kind of sugar. Now the ratio of stevia to sugar is 1 tablespoon of stevia is 1 cup of sugar. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons of stevia. So we're going to put 1. I'm going to put 2. Now there's 2 tablespoons of stevia in there. We're gonna mix. Now that is mixed, we're gonna turn the stove on to medium. Then we're gonna wait about 10 minutes, and we'll see you then. Thank you. All right, everybody, it's been about 10 minutes, and now we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So we're going to 1, 2. All right, thank you, and we'll see you in about 1 minute. All right, guys, it's been a minute, and now we're going to add the rose water, or rose extract. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of it. So 1. And we will see you back in about 1 minute. Thank you. About a minute, and now we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna pour it into the bowl. And I will see you next time when we critique it out on the table. Thank you. All right, guys, we just let it cool down, and now we're gonna critique it. So, as you can see, we made the dish with, we made it in about 12 minutes, I would say, to let it cool down for about a minute, and then 11 minutes cooking. And as you can see, you can come close up, and it has it looks like a regular syrup that would happen. And now I'm gonna taste it. So. It's sweet. There's a little spice to it. But I taste a little bit of that rose water. I tasted it before I put it in, and I can taste that. I can taste there's a lot of sweetness from the stevia and and I can taste the lemon. The lemon gives it that big stands it out. And now I'm gonna call up a member of my family, my brother, to taste it and see how he thinks. So Zaki, come here.
Okay.
So my brother Zaki's gonna taste it and see what he thinks.
Okay.
What do you think?
It's not too sweet, but it does go down slowly, even though it's very light on the tongue.
Thanks.
All the things you said.
Thanks. All right, that sums it up of my cooking, and I'll see you guys next time with the medieval cooking show. Thank you.